Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today we're going to be creating a fresh and clean spring inspired makeup look. I will be featuring Merit's latest launch, their signature lightweight lipstick. It launched back in February. I have two shades here that I want to share with you. I'll be swatching on my lips and telling you a little bit about it, and we'll check them out together, you guys. But if you want to see the look I'm going to create, then keep on watching. First and foremost, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video at the end or right now or whatever, then make sure to hit that like button. So today I will be featuring mostly products from Merit. If you are not familiar with the brand, Merit is an all-clean brand. They take a holistic approach to creating their products, which are safe for your body, for the planet, for everything. And very, very pretty packaging, I must say. All of their packaging are very convenient, good to travel with, throw in your bag. Beyond I'm going to do is my face. So I do have three shades here. These are the Merit Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick. I have the shade Buff, Khaki, and Camel. Now Khaki, this is my second one of these. Like, I tried it last year, was the first time when they launched. I loved it. It was like, okay, this is like so good. I'm gonna start by swatching the three shades that I have, just for reference. If you guys have similar skin undertones as me, then you can have an idea of what these shades look like in real skin. So this is a shade Khaki, and you can see right there. And this is the shade Buff. Now you can see this one is more deeper. It does have a warmer undertone. This is more peachy undertone, and this one is more yellow. And then we have Camel, which is the brightest of them all. So this one I got with the intention of using as a concealer, pretty much around the eyes. This will be more to warm up the skin. I was hoping that this one here, Buff, was going to be darker and serve as a contouring, but it's going to actually be perfect for me for like in the summer when my skin gets a little bit more tan and darker. So I'm just gonna wipe this off and let's get started. So you guys, I'm going to take Khaki. This is the shade that is a little bit like closest to my complexion, and I'm just gonna do this with it. I'm just going to draw some lines. And something that I will say about this, because it happened to me the first time that I tried it, they are very pigmented, you guys. So you really don't need that much product. And it does blend really nicely on the skin. So just two things here. Now I'm going to take Buff. This is like the darker. And I'm just going to apply it where I would typically contour. So on like here, even around the nose. It's not that much darker than my complexion, but it will create some dimension there for me. And then this shade is Camel, and this is the lightest one. And this is the one that I want to use mainly under the eyes, because I want to use it as a brightening. I'm just doing, and also guys, I'm doing it exactly how I would do it regardless of if I'm recording or not. Notice that I'm not trying to be like so perfect and precise, because it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be blending everything in and everything will look so good. So now I'm going to take the brush number 1. It is a taper blending brush, and it retails for $30. It was Lure's 2021 Best of Beauty winner. And again, I'm not surprised because it's really good. It really is. So I'm going to start by blending, like I'm going to go from the outside in. So I'm going to start blending the darkers here. And here we go, you guys. So this is my complexion, just using the Merit Minimalist Complexion Sticks. You can can see, I did my contouring with the darkest, my concealing and highlighting, and my face. Everything is looking good. So now I'm going to use a blush here, and this is Flush Bomb Cream Blush. And I have this shade Beverly Hills, which is a soft peach shade. I'm gonna swatch it right here. So it's a really soft peach shade, and I am going to just, with this, I'm just going to run it on my cheeks. I will be bringing the blush a little bit up here on my temples. It just gives you like a more like healthy, youthful skin. Like your skin just looks, first of all, the blush looks like it's coming from within and doesn't look so much like makeup. Also, if you kind of go like this, softly around your nose, not too much, because we're not trying to look like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer came and visited us in springtime, but you know, just a little bit, and you see, very subtle. I love it. So I'm just gonna run a little bit on my hand here, on my finger, and then tap it, and it just gives the eye, look, it just gives the eye like such a like youthful and dewy appearance. And now they don't look so naked, but still very clean. Like it. So you guys, before we move on, I do want to set under the eyes, and I am going to set right over the eyes a little bit because I do have greasy eyelids, and this is a very emollient product, and I don't want my crease to look funny, you know, and move around. So I will set it a little bit and see how that goes. I've never applied this product on the eyes, so if it doesn't work and it's a complete mess, I will do a B-roll here and come and tell you, don't do it. But assuming that, you know, everything is perfect, you won't see that. So let's hope for that. I am going to take just a brush I have here and tap some setting powder right over, right here on the eyelid. And notice you can still see that little flush of peach underneath, but it did absorb the moisture and mattified the eye a little bit. So I just want to make sure that this look stays, you know. And I'm gonna take some of that setting powder and set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna tap, tap, tap under the eyes and set. There's a tip, you guys, whenever you are trying to go for really natural, fresh looks, only set like the areas where you need it the most. Don't set the whole face, because one of the aspects or appearances of like natural, no makeup looks is if you can see that dewiness to the skin. I find that whenever if your face looks too matte, that's a instant giveaway that you're wearing makeup, you know. So see, this is how the face is looking. I love it. I love it. So now I am going to apply some mascara. Another Allure 2021 Clean Beauty product of Merit is their Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. This retails for $26. It is out of stock at Sephora. It comes in only one shade, which is the Perfect Black. And look how pretty this tube is, you guys. It's like a square, and you can like, it stands up nicely on your table or your vanity. I love the black and the gold. Really pretty packaging. Like every freaking thing here is so good. So what it is, an everyday mascara that defines, separates, and lengthens lashes for a wide awake look with no smudging ever. So this is a clean, and it's supposed to wash off super easy, no smudging, everyday mascara. I think I will say this mascara one is really nice. It's like gripping my lashes and lengthening them, but they look nice and separated. I'm looking in the magnifying mirror here so I can tell you what I am looking at. Let me try and get the camera a little closer too, see if you guys can see what I see. This is really a true everyday mascara. It might like the look of these lashes. They look really clean. They do look longer, darker, more defined, but they don't scream like, wow, you know. And I will leave the bottom lashes clean. I don't want to apply any product there, mainly because again, this is a nice, fresh spring everyday look. We want to keep it light. So now we are going to be trying the newest, the latest Merit product, which is their signature lip lightweight lipstick. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. You take out the cap and you have your bullet. So Cabo is a soft orange red. And again, you guys, I can't get over, like, these feel like high quality. I love the bullet, the detail on the packaging. No, oh, almost got some over here. Okay. So I'm gonna do just one swipe. I want to see how much cover we get just with like one swipe, you guys. So I do want to wipe my lips a little bit. Ooh. So first impression, and because you guys, it's a brand new product, so I did have to like go once and then twice. But I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but the bullet fits like so nicely on the lips that it like perfectly lines the edges. Look, this is really nice. This is a really nice bullet here. And now I'm gonna do the bottom. That's one swipe. And that's one swipe. So you can see the bottom. The bottom lips are more true, a true one swipe. The one on the top, I did have to go over a little bit more because again, it was a freshly new package, and you know, you always things need to warm up. This feels really light. Doesn't feel like I have anything on the lips except for when I look, and this is a lot more color than I was expecting. It is a satin finish, really looks hydrating but not too shiny. Feels really nice, and I like this shade here. I'm going to go and apply it a second time. I'm gonna go so that's with two swipes, and I'm gonna go a third time. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. And this is the third time, but my lips still feel like I don't have anything on. I'm gonna go a fourth time now. Oh wow, I really like how they feel. I'm not that they feel, I love that I can't feel them. That I can't feel the lipstick. I'm like so surprised. I'm gonna do a fifth. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. So, I mean, you guys, this is definitely, I'm very pleasantly surprised. I will be honest with you. When I first was reading the description of them, I was just expecting something really lightweight, like literally lightweight, but this packs pigment. This is 5 swipes, and I mean, it looks like I have lipstick on. They feel like I just have a light layer of chapstick on or nothing. Oh my god, I'm impressed. I am so impressed. But you see how even though this look too it is meant to be light, but just by adding this pop of color, it still looks fresh. It still looks very springy, but this is not the lip color that I wanted to do. I'm gonna just wipe this off, you guys. Okay, so now we're going to apply the color that I'm actually keeping on my lips, and really what I envisioned for this look. So this is the shade Millennial. And the shade Millennial is a classic pink shade. And this is what it looks like in the bullet. Super pretty. And now I'm going to do the same thing, you guys. So I'm going to do the first swipe. Oh my God. And then one here and one there. So that's one swipe. So pretty, so subtle. Like it. Another one. This is two. These feel so nice. These feels really nice, you guys. A third one. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I'm going to do a fourth one. You see how it's like building? But I promise you guys, it doesn't feel that way on the lips. I mean, I can just, I know I'm applying something to them, but then my lips still feel like I'm not wearing anything. All right, so now I'm going to do a fifth. This is so nice. I am so happy right now. I am like so happy. You guys, let me just look at myself in the mirror, make sure that, yes, I do. I have makeup on my teeth. So you guys, this is the final look, and I'm so happy that I was able to do the whole look using Merit. The only thing that's not the brand was the setting powder. Then everything else on the face is by Merit, and I am like so happy, so happy. I mean, some of these were new to me. The blush and the complexion sticks are not, but the lips and the mascara, and again, if you guys have seen any of my videos where I'm applying mascara, I'm always talking about how sensitive my eyes are, because they are. And I do have to mention that they feel really comfortable. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my eyes, which is probably the best compliment that I have ever given a mascara here, to be honest with you. It's either like they don't bother me or they bother me, but this sensation of did I even put mascara on, it's a new one. So I'm definitely going to keep this one closed, because I'm going to be using, this is going to be the one I use, you know, especially for my everyday makeup, assuming that it doesn't smudge on me later. And again, if it does, I will be popping up here, because I like to keep it very honest. But you guys, I'm going to keep it here. Let me know if you like this clean, fresh look. Let me know what other looks you'd like to see for spring, for summer, weddings, bridal showers, baby showers. I know there's a lot of events that come here. So if you guys want some inspiration, just leave it down in the comment section. And you guys, I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.